let's learn how to get notes on Instagram. If you're on Instagram, you've heard of other people having the ability to add and basically change their notes. I'm going to show you how to get it and all the process and steps that you can go through if it's not showing up. If you didn't have notes on your account, first method to get notes is to go on Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. Then when you do that, and if on blue button is written update, go to click on it and wait for Instagram to update. On that way you will download all new update for Instagram, and maybe you will get Instagram notes. So when you do that, go on Instagram app and see if you got Instagram notes. If you didn't get it, follow my second method. Second method is to switch your Instagram account type to professional account or personal account. In my case, I already have my account on professional type, so I need to change it on personal account. You may have the reverse. So to do it, go on your profile by tapping on little icon of your profile in bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu, and go on first option called Settings and Privacy. When you come on this menu, you need to find option called Creator Tools and Controls, and go on it. Now on this menu, click on Switch Account Type. I will select a personal account, but you can select what I told you before. Then go to see if this method working, but if this method doesn't work, watch this last or third method. So for the last method, you need to go on your settings app of your phone. And on search bar type apps, then go on it. On this menu, click on Manage Apps. In my case, that is second option. Now we must find Instagram app. You can scroll down to find it, or you can go on search bar and type Instagram. Now to clear data from Instagram app, click on little eraser icon and select Clear All Data. On that way you will delete all old updates from Instagram and then only the new ones stay. And that is it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.